Here are the ingredients for one serving. Pour water into a bowl. Dried hijiki seaweed. Add in this hijiki and soak in water. Carrots medium size, 1/3. Cut the carrot thin. Boil water in a small pot. Prepare a bowl and a strainer. Deep dried tofu. Placing the fried tofu lightly, swim through the hot water. Repeat for both sides. Cut the fried tofu thin. Once it is softened, drain the water in a strainer. Heat oil in a pan. Fry the carrots with medium heat. Add in the hijiki and fried tofu. Stir so the oil has gone through entirely. Soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Mirin, 1 tablespoon. Sake, 1 tablespoon. Sugar, half a tablespoon. Water, 150 milliliters. Adding the 8 ingredients, place the lid and simmer for 10 minutes on low heat. Remove the lid and evaporate all liquid. Serve, enjoy. Again, here are the ingredients for one serving.